Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sample colors from your videos to create like your own color palette, I guess, on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to library here. I'm just going to select a video real quick. Maybe, well, you can also use a photo for this one, but I'm just going to choose a video. Maybe I'll select this one. Then I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to type in mosaic. Just zoom in on it a little bit. Select it and you're going to add it to your image, and I'm just going to blur it until 100%. And as you can see, it will show some colors. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to text actually, and I'm just going to add in text. Because it will only work with text, and I'm just going to add in like a dot for the colors. So you're going to basically select the color picker and you're going to select a color, copy and paste, select another one, for instance this one, copy and paste that. Then again here I'm going to select another color, this one maybe, copy and paste. I'm just going to place it randomly first, copy and paste that. And I think I'll do one more of this one, maybe. Actually, I'll do two more. Whoops. One of that. Or one of this, actually. Copy and paste that. And I'm going to select this color right here. Delete that. And here is your color palette that you got from your video. Well, obviously make it a little bit more neat than this, but I don't have a lot of time, so that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!